Vishal sir, I'm in the class. I'll make a call after 1:20, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you. So, what we need to do, Anshu, you please confirm whether the recording started.
Yes, sir, recording is started.
Yes. What we are going to calculate, we are going to calculate the function of A, and similarly we are going to calculate the function of B. Obvious that the function of E is greater than 0 and the function of B is less than 0. So the median lies whether in the positive zone or it lies in the negative zone. If it is lies in the positive zone, so what we are going to take? We are going to take this C as an A instead of last A. We are going to update with instead C. We are going to take as the A. The B has to be taken as B. There won't be any change in the B. And by continuing this, what we can do? We are getting C in negative zone. So instead of that B, you need the B has to be updated with C. This is what the ideology behind the bisection method. Whether it is understood or I should repeat the ideology of bisection method. Whether it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. We'll see. This is what the ideology. So this is what the algorithm. Oh, okay. Now we are going to deal this problem with the aid of Excel. So I have disseminated how we can approach the if and else command in one class. So we are going to depend with that. We are going to solve this problem. Okay. Whether my Excel is visible? My Excel is visible?
Excel is not visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now it is visible.
Yes. Yes. Yes, I am copying this problem number 14. Since if you are having your laptop, then you parallelly you try to solve this problem. Anyone this particular do you have laptop? Homi, Kritika, Google, Kannan, Google. Anyone has?
Yes, sir. I have the laptop, sir.
Who responded?
Yes, sir. Me, sir.
You take first. You sit.
I have.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
You please join with us.
Yes,
You
sir.
please join with us.
Yes.
We'll do parallelly. I think
Yes.
Siddharthan also responded. Right? Siddharthan or someone responded. You also please join with us.
Yes, sir. Join.
Yes, yes. Yes, I am copying this problem. I am pasting over the Excel. Okay. Okay. What we need to do? The boundaries. Don't worry about the boundaries. The boundary has to be given in the problem. No, it is not our headache to concern about the boundary. This diagram, either this diagram or the boundaries will be disseminated in the question itself. So don't worry about the boundaries. So here one root lies between 0 and 0.5. So 0 and 0.5 is our initial approximation value. So I am typing my iteration and my A and my B value and C, and my A is 0 and my B is 0.5. This is what the initial iteration. So let the iteration number be 0. Usually you will get the left alignment. This is what you'll get. You make it a central alignment. You select all and give central alignment. Okay. Shall I? Shall I continue?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes. Now I am interested in C. My C is 0.
B7
B7 plus
C7
C7
divided
divided by 2. Okay. Now I am concerned about the F of E. F of A and f of C. Go to the algorithm. If the cross product of f of A and f of C is less than 0. See f of C, f of A and f of C is less than 0. That is what here f of C. First we will try to find f of A and f of C. Try to keep all the column width as uniform. I'm giving as 10. Now give equal to f of A. So what is our function? Our function is 3x plus sin x minus exponential x. So 3 into A. A is stored in column B7 plus sin. Sin you put sin and again B7 minus exp you type exp. A number. The number, which number? B7. You put close bracket and give enter. Now f of C. Now my f of C is instead B7, it has to taken the data from D7. That is what the difference. So what I can do, I can copy this one, I can paste, but it took the data from C because only one column we have copied and pasted, and so I am changing from C to D.
So you can drag and drop that boxes.
Pardon? Drag and drop.
Yes, sir.
Yes, similar. Yes, you can do drag and drop, but it took the data from C7.
So yes, sir. That box will be marked. We can drag that B7 to C7.
Yes, you change it with the D7. You do drag and drop, and then you change it with. You see, this is what we are telling. Yes, you can do.
So
Instead,
not that one.
huh?
So after we are copying that, we have that boxes marked, like now D7 is marked.
I didn't get your point.
So the copy that E7 to F7, sir.
E7 to F7. Yes, that is also I did earlier, na.
Yes, sir.
I
After
did,
that, clicking on F7, we get the boxes.
Yes. Yes. Very good. That is also can be done, Siddhartha. Yes. Double click over this, and instead B you drag and drop, but it changes at one particular place. Again you change, and again you change. What usually people do? People in Arch they will concern about changes with one drag and drop. They won't do continuously. So not to reduce that manual error, better you type it or better you change these conversions. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Well, now what we need to do? We are concerning about the cross product of this f of A and f of C. F of A and f of C. Right. Give control Z and f of A into f of C and give delete button. Since that C is taken as an copyright function with a circle, in order to avoid that, give delete and then give enter. Now making cross product with these two datas. It is clear that it is in positive value. Still, I wish to get whether this is positive or not. Whether it is feasible. Getting in whether this is positive or negative value, that has to be written in one particular cell. Tell me the codings. This cell, that is H7, has to be written H7 has to get the data information from G7. If it is positive, it has to return as positive, and if it is negative, it has to return and it is negative.
So if
If
G7
okay, G7
0,
greater than 0,
comma, that value, so like positive.
yes, positive,
Comma.
negative. Oh, the problem with this is we put apostrophe. Put the apostrophe. Okay, good, Siddhartha. Okay, yes, now this is what the first I am concerning about secondization, third, fourth. Till iteration number 10, I wanted to do so. Okay, right. Now this data, that is new A and B. What is my new A and what is my new B? I am going to the slide. If f of A, the cross product of f of A and C is less than 0, then B, take your C as B. Now tell me the coding. Now we are concerning about B. B alone. Don't worry about A. Leave it A. Now we will concern about B. Tell me the coding.
A
So
equal
if
to C.
Yes, very good, Siddharthan. Let others, Siddharthan, give opportunity to others to share. Yes, someone started.
A equal to C.
A equal to no. You start with the if command. Now, see
If
whether yes, my slides are visible.
yes, sir.
Yes, this is what our objective. Now, this is what our objective. If f of A, the cross product of f of A and f of C is less than 0, then your B is your C, past C. B has to be taken with the past C. So, whether it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now tell me the coding.
If
Yes, I am starting with if. Okay.
G7
G7. Very good. G7.
is less than 0,
That is what we need. Less than
uh,
0.
comma, uh, then B equal to C means value equal to C.
Value has to be taken from C.
Like
C, right?
D7,
Here C.
D7. Plain.
Yes. D7. You put it as D7. That's all.
Yes.
Else.
Sir, can't we use H7?
Pardon.
Can't we use H7? H7 part.
Come again.
Can't we use H7, sir, rather than using G7? Positive. So that only we use that, no?
Yes.
That column.
Yes, we can depend H also. In order to visualize whether it is positive, negative, I have given. Yes, you can take that as, but instead, and what we need to do, we need to compare that positive plus V, E, and that you need to give equal to, right? So instead that making G7 in the coding is easy. Let it be. You continue. Someone respond. You continue. D7. Okay, comma, and then if it is not,
Then C7
then
remains same. C7.
no, gentlemen.
D7.
D7. Hey, no. If it is not, the G7 is not less than 0. then from where it has to get the data.
B7, sir.
B7 is stored in which cell? See, if it is not, you take the past B as let it be the B. So it is clear in the graph I have shown na. In the graph I have given is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. The past B, let it be B. If the logic not true, then take the B as B. Past B as B. Okay. Okay. Now I am giving this is what this is not less than 0. So this is taking the data from the past B. Okay. Now come here. What is the logic for A?
Equal to if.
Yes, again I am seeing depending this only this algorithm. If it is less than 0, then B has to be updated. If it is greater than 0, it has to be assigned to A, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now tell me, if
G7
G7
greater than 0.
lesser than 0, okay?
Sir, greater than 0.
No, greater than 0.
Then C7
C7, D7.
Yes, sir. D7
Else,
as B7.
that's a yes. Now this we can drag and drop, right? Okay. This is what the further iteration. See how simple we are dealing with Excel. Once the past informations are right for the routine task, the Excel returns in a fraction of seconds. It returns the results. So where we are getting now concern about one particular digit. You tell me with the digit. Shall we keep this as in 5? Are you comfortable with the 5? We are not going to deal with numerical or calculator. See, the calculations are made by Excel. So let it be 5 or 6. Now I am putting a 6. Give this symbol are coming since the cell column width is minimal. It is coming. Make it as 12. See. Yes, now I am giving my borders and I am assigning some colors. Okay, right?
Yes.
Okay, now tell me the root. Now tell me the root. Which one is our root? Which one is our root?
So 10th
What is
iteration.
Zero.
Pardon?
C in the 10th iteration.
Not C. This is what our result A. Yeah, obviously it is taken from the past C. The result is 0.360352 is our root. So we will check with the my past calculation whether we did right or wrong. See the graph. This is what the graph given to you, and the root lies between 0 and 0.5. And the another root lies between 0.5 and 2. Now we will take concern about 0 and 0.5, and this is what the result. See, one of the root is approximately 3605. 3605, and if we are interested in this root, Then what all the changes has to be done with Excel? Shall we continue with these with the 20 iteration? I am continuing with some other iteration.
Sir, what is going to be the root, sir? A, B, or C, sir? Which
I'll
part?
tell you. I'll tell you. Just watch. I'll tell you. Okay, till 22 till 20. Let it be. Okay. Now I am interested in second root. What all the changes has to be done with this Excel?
So change A and B.
Yes, that's all. 1.5 and 2. See, this is what the result, right?
One 1.89.
Yes, 1.890022. 0029. Okay, I'll tell you with the Pranav question in the subsequent problem. Now see, this is what our subsequent problem. So find the root of cos x minus exponential x is equal to 0. The graph is also given to you. This is what the graph. If it is graph is not given, then usually they will give the boundaries, the limits. See, one root lies between -2 and -1. The other root lies between 0 and 1. So now I am interested with 0 and 1. Yes. Yes, what I can do? This Excel, I'm giving undo. Do undo. This is what the initial data is given. You copy this one. You copy the sheet. We can copy the sheet. You right click here, move or copy, and create a copy. The sheet has to be moved before the last. Move to the end. This is what the subsequent the copied sheet, and take this problem and delete this one. I am pasting here. It went to somewhere. You keep it to the appropriate place, and now the changes has to be done with these two, that is f of a and f of c. So start here, that is cos x. Cos x is our a and minus x into exponential a. Right. The thing is, this put a bracket, separate bracket for see, if in the calculator, if you are giving 5 multiplication 6 and your the equation concerning with a number of factors, which will considered earlier and which will considered the later stage, based on which principle it works. During your 6th standard or 5th standard, your mathematics teacher. Yes. You tell me. Yes. Yes. Come again.
Sir, board mass rule, sir.
What you elaborate the board mass?
Sir, B for bracket, O for off, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction.
Very good. Yes, that is what. Yes, that is what. Based on that, the Excel is also made. Still, in order to reduce the manual errors, I have concern about putting the bracket. So what I am trying to do here, I am copying this one and pasting over here C, but the data has to be taken from D. D, right? Okay, that's all. But change data, that is 0 and 1. 0 and 1. Now tell me, see, for answering with the Pranav question, the C has to be taken as root. Pranav, are you getting?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yes, C, not A.
Okay.
Not A. C has to be taken as a root because it is a bisection method. We are getting a bisection value from A and B. Therefore, the root has to be taken from C. See, the C is differentiated and C has taken. So the root, when we are interested with 3-digit accuracy, the root for this particular problem is 0.517. Whether our Excel result concurrent will check. No, why it is not so? 0 and 1 and 5 3, okay. Okay, this is also right. This is also right. Where we did mistake? Someone you find and tell me. We are getting some different results, right?
So I got the result.
It look like diverging.
It look like
Diverging.
you are getting 0.517.
Yes, I am getting.
Yes. Then tell me what is the mistake done here in this Excel. The second iteration itself minus minus 0.046. Here see. No. What
We have
here?
to drag and drop fully. Sir.
We didn't drag and drop here. Yes. Yes, that's all. During 10th iteration, if we are keeping the number of digit as 3, then it will get 0.51. Here the initial iteration took here 1 and 1 2. By continuing this, the 10th iteration. Okay, some numerical changes. We are getting 0.519. Very clear.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I have a doubt in the previous question, the one we
Yes.
did. Sir, can you open the Excel thing?
You are in the problem or in the Excel?
In the Excel, this question.
Yes.
Sir, in the last, sir, we got f of a into f of c is equal to 0. So I didn't understand why it took it as positive in some cases and negative in the other ones.
Yeah. We see here it returns 0, but here we are concerned about the number of digit as 6, but the actual data might be different, right? See, this is what the actual data, that is 4.5 into 10 power minus 7, and here the result is minus 1.8 into 10 power minus 7.
Okay.
So based on the actual value, it compares and it returns whether it is positive or negative.
Okay. So, but what if it's actually 0? Then what will be the result?
You make it as 0. You make it as 0 and try. Okay. Now I am giving 0 as an information.
So if it is 0, then it is the root. The corresponding C is the root.
Yes. Right. See, you make it here as 0. You put 0. We have liberation, right? We have liberation. The cross product of, see, when you will get 0, you think over the graph. Think over the graph. See here, when you will get 0. As stated by your friend, that is the point of our interest. That was the root.
Oh yeah, yes sir, yes sir.
Where the curve taking the sign conversion, that is our interest, that is our main focus. At that point alone you'll get 0. The
Okay.
rest won't 0, right?
Yes sir, I got it sir.
Okay, I'll give undo. Okay. Who raised the doubt?
Sir, me, Amulya.
Amolya, good. Good. Okay. Right. Okay, hope you doesn't have any doubts with these bisection method. Anyway, we were in the fourth hour. I request you to disseminate other contents, whether it might be a current affair or any other. Now to get attention, there are people with us, and they are very interested. That is good, but in order to make others to give the active participation, it would benefit others to join with us. Someone, you please for me, or what was the current affair?
So current
India
affairs,
get
one.
10 medals in Paralympics the year.
Pardon, Anshu.
So we get 10 medals in Paralympics.
Oh, yes. In Paralympics, 10 medals. So far it was okay. Triple delight for India at Tokyo Paralympic.
And also
Mario
this, the
clinches
one of
silver. Yes. Yes, go ahead. Go ahead.
UNSC resolution addresses key concern on Afghanistan, India.
Yes, for me. That was the headlines today in Hindu.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Actually, there's a news, like one of the EC guy that I was telling, like and yeah, he actually went to Iran, like without his passport or anything. He just went to, like, he left Afghanistan, like secretly he went to Iran, and now actually it's being very tough on him. It seems if Iran people caught him, no, they might kill him or send back to Afghanistan. So he's trying to go to Turkey.
He is trying now going to.
Yes, sir, Turkey.
Okay, Turkey. Okay.
Yes, sir.
In order to make an official or as a tourist, as a part of taking tourism, he went from Iran to Afghanistan, or
No, sir, just to save himself, he left from Afghanistan to Iran. Like that was the nearer to him. So he from Iran he need to go to Turkey now. Like he doesn't have his passport or anything.
Sir,
So
like
if he was caught, yeah, Pranav.
during your earlier conversation itself, you talked about your friend, right? That is what you are
Yes,
again.
sir. Yes, sir. Like presently now he is in this position. Like currently this position.
Currently, he is in Afghanistan. He
No,
stuck
sir.
at
He is in Iran, sir. Iran.
Iran.
He escaped from Afghanistan.
Escaped and okay.
Yes.
So by the helping of some
There are-
smugglers.
I mean, like, there are
Yes, just a
people-
minute, Anshu. Pranav, you go ahead, Pranav.
So like escape in the sense like there are a few people like who take like amount of cash and they illegally they smuggle them. That's like the only escape route for him right now, unfortunately. So yeah, but since he's right now in Iran without a passport. If police catch him, they'll again send him back to Afghanistan. So which is why now he is trying to now go to the Turkey with the help of the same people who actually got him to Iran. That is the thing.
Oh. But his citizenship is belongs to Afghanistan.
Yeah,
He's
actually like he's from Afghanistan, but like he escaped right now. I mean, from the situation.
So that was
That's
the
not like a perfect escape. He is still under uncertain conditions. Yes, sir.
Yes. You try to keenly watch, observe these political reformations, and one time since we are engineers, we need to have a conscious over the happenings in and around us, and the institution like the issues with the various political issues, and one day it uplift you to some other state. So have a conscious and have a keen attention, and you try to get some more data from your friend, and you may become a editor or article writer, or even at one time you may become a member of parliament, or in some other state we can expect you. So be a conscious over these happenings, the political happenings in and around us. Any other. Anshu, you they add the information that some chief the some new that is the Chief Justice of India. There are 9 judges were administered the oath of office yesterday, right? Some other news is also given in first page. What happened? Anshu, you go ahead, Anshu. I stopped in the while. You
Yes,
go.
sir.
Have you heard about Mariappan, who got the silver medal in high jump in recent, that is in the Paralympic?
Yes, sir. We get 5 silver medals per year.
In the last Paralympic, he inches what medal
Gold.
have you?
You got gold.
Siddharthan?
Yes, sir. He got gold.
Of course. Of course. Okay. Any other? That is in Tamil Nadu. They were started these schools and arts and science colleges, and from 9th to 12th the classes started today, and there are many. Okay. Vijay Adiraj.
Yes, sir.
Vijay Adiraj, right? You try to read these slides, Vijay Adiraj. Vijay, now will Vijay Adiraj will disseminate the content which is presented in the slide, that is regular false method, or the method of false positions. What we did in the bisection, we took the intermittent value for the new iteration. With that, we attempted to find the root, but here this regular false method concerned about the false position, that he'll start. Is you go ahead, you try to read these contents. Vijay Adiraj. We can approximate start. You start reading. Jay Adiraj.
We can approximate the solution by doing a linear interpolation between f of xn and f of x1.
Yes, this is what our focus. Continue. This is what the line, the linear line given here, and there are two boundaries we are having, that is xl and xu. So the function of f of xl and f of xu meets in one particular point. That from that point we can take a move to fxr. Yes, go ahead, Adiraj. Find xr.
Find the xr such that L of xr equal to 0, where L of x is the linear approximation of f of x between x of L and x of n. X of u.
X of u. Okay, then.
Derive x of r using similar triangles.
Okay. So this is what the similar triangular results. Yes, thank you, Adiraj. Thank you. Now to make an attention, I asked you to read. So this is what our focus, and we have very few minutes. I'll stop this regular false method as early, but you please stay with us till a few more minutes. See, this is what our focus, and C is for our root. So C, A and B is the zone where the C lies, and so this is what the f of b, that the vertical changes with the function would be f of b, and similarly at A, this is what f of A. So we are already aware about the similar triangles. We have the similar triangles here, that is C, B and f of b, and C, A and f of A. So I am concerned about this vertical line. So f of b, when on one side I am keeping my f of b, on the other side I am keeping my f of a. So my f of this particular triangle, f of b, I have taken this side. So I am keeping c minus b. I am interested towards this distance, that is c minus b. So I am taking c minus a on one side. So I can get this linear changes, x changes with c minus b and c minus a. So by doing the cross multiplication, what I can get, c minus a into f of b is equal to c minus b into f of a. But our concern or our focus is to find c. So I am keeping the terms which has c on one side. So c into f of b and minus. So before that I am making elaboration with this equation, that is minus a into f of b. Here c into f of a minus b into f of a. I am taking c on one particular side, c into f of b minus c into f of a, which is equal to minus v into f of a. This becomes plus a into f of b. So I am taking c out, f of b minus f of a, which is equal to a into f of b minus b into f of a. So c can be derived from a into f of b minus b into f of a divided by f of a minus f of b. It is very easy to remember this formula, because since we have very similar terms at the numerator as well in the denominator, but the coefficient is different. See, f of b and f of b and f of a and f of a. So a into f of b minus b into f of a divided by f of b minus f of a. This is what the formula which is used to find the root in the regular falsy method. Whether it is clear? Do you have any doubts in deriving this regular falsy mathematical formula? Doubts? Any doubts in the derivation?
No, sir.
Okay, if you don't have any doubts, we'll wind up here and we'll meet during Monday 10:30. Hope you returned your assignment 1 and you submit before noon. And I didn't so far I didn't make any assignment in the Google Classroom. Soon I'll make an assignment, and through that you can submit your classwork. You take a photographs and don't change the color. Let it be in blue or in the original color, and make a single PDF and rename with your roll number and submit before noon.
Sir, can you make it for tomorrow night? Like
Why?
extend.
Why?
Many of them, like we have more assignments and CTs. No, sir. They are asking to extend for tomorrow.
We are having for interviews.
Yes, Vikram.
Sir,
Vikram?
can you submit the notes after the CTs? We have all the CTs lined up. So can you submit